Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Achari Daal Karahi. I've mentioned all of the ingredients in the description box below for your convenience. So first we'll grind the ingredients I mentioned below. Next we'll make onion puree. Take half cup of oil in a pan and add in the grinded ingredients A. Saute for a while and add in onion puree. In the next step, we'll go for the ginger garlic paste. Add in curry pattas and red chillies. Next, add in crushed red chillies, turmeric and salt. We'll go for 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Next, add in yogurt and keep stirring so that it mixes well and the gravy is smooth. Add in tomatoes and cover until they get soft. Add in some green chilies and cover for a while. Now we'll add in our boiled lentils. Give it a good mix, cover it and leave on low flame for about 10 minutes. That's it, our Achari Daal Karahi is ready. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more. Take care. See ya.